Are you looking for the best digital clamp meters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best digital clamp meters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. HOLDPEAK HP 7200E. The HOLDPEAK HP 7200A is a versatile true RMS digital clamp meter designed for precise electrical measurements with auto-select and auto-range features. It supports measuring DC, AC voltage, 60 MV, 600 V, DC, AC current, 6A, 60A, resistance, 600 ohms, 60 M, capacitance, 6 NF, 60 MF, frequency, temperature, -20 to 1000, diode testing, audible continuity, and non-contact voltage, NCV, detection from 90 V to 1000 VAC. The device features a clear 6000 count LCD with an analog bar graph, a compact 20mm jaw opening for conductor clamping, and intuitive buttons for mode selection and data hold. Built with safety in mind, it complies with IEC 1010 standards, offering Cat2 600V and Cat3 300V overvoltage protection, overload protection, and double insulation. Powered by 1.5V AAA batteries, the meter also includes a low battery indicator and auto power-off to extend battery life. It is ideal for electrical testing, diagnostics, and troubleshooting across various applications. Number 2. UNI-T UT216C. The UNI-T UT216C is a true RMS digital clamp meter designed for versatile electrical measurements with auto-ranging capability and a fast sampling rate of 3 times per second. It measures AC, DC current up to 600 A, AC voltage up to 750 V, DC voltage up to 1000 V, resistance up to 60 M, capacitance up to 60 MF, frequency from 10 Hz to 1 MHz, and temperature from -40 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 1832 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a 6000 count LCD display with data hold, relative mode, max, minute readings, and a backlight for easy viewing. Additional functions include diode testing, continuity buzzer, non-contact voltage, NCV, detection, and a flashlight for working in dark environments. The UT216C model also supports inrush current measurement and comes with a 30mm jaw opening suitable for various conductor sizes. Powered by 3 1.5V batteries, it weighs about 231.7 g and includes standard accessories like test leads and a temperature probe. The device is designed for professionals and electricians needing reliable, accurate, and multifunctional clamp meter performance. Number 3. SNAKOL Digital Clamp Meter. The SNAKOL SK213 digital clamp meter is a versatile electrical testing tool designed for accurate measurements in various applications. It features a digital-only display for clear readings and supports measuring resistance in multiple ranges, 6K to 60 M, voltage across for V to 600 V, and current from 4A to 600 A. The clamp meter operates efficiently within a temperature range of 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS standards, the SK213 ensures reliability and safety in electrical diagnostics. Compact and user-friendly, it's ideal for DIY electrical work and professional use alike. Number 4. BSIDE ACM91 Digital Clamp Meter. The BSIDE ACM91 Digital Clamp Meter is a compact, feature-rich tool designed for advanced electricians seeking precise and versatile measurements. It offers true RMS measurements with a maximum display count of 6000, allowing accurate testing of DC and AC currents up to 100 A with 1 mA resolution, including a sensitive DC microamp range, 0-200 A. This meter features a low impedance voltage test mode for more accurate readings, a temperature measurement function, -20 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, and simultaneous frequency display when measuring AC voltage, current. The device supports a broad range of resistance, up to 60 M, capacitance, up to 6000 F, and voltage, up to 600 VAC DC. Additional conveniences include a backlit LCD display, data hold, auto power-off, overload protection, and a zero clear function for improved DC accuracy. The meter comes with a 20mm jaw opening and includes high-quality alligator clips, test leads, a thermocouple, screwdriver, carrying case, and user manual, making it a comprehensive toolkit for electrical diagnostics and troubleshooting. Number 5. ANENG PN107. The ANENG PN107 is a compact and lightweight digital clamp meter designed for basic electrical diagnostics, making it ideal for home users, hobbyists, and electricians. It measures 194 by 50 by 30 mm and weighs just 230 grams, offering easy portability. The meter supports a wide range of measurements including AC current up to 600 A, AC/DC voltage up to 600 V, resistance up to 40 M, and capacitance up to 4 MF. It features a clear 4000 count digital display with backlight, non-contact voltage detection, NCV, with audible alarm and LED indicator, auto-ranging, data hold, diode test, and continuity buzzer. With a jaw opening of 25 mm, it can clamp around single wires conveniently. The device includes a flashlight for use in low-light conditions and auto power-off after 15 minutes of inactivity. Operating safely within a temperature range of 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, the ANENG PN107 is a reliable, cost-effective tool for everyday electrical measurement needs.